Today we're here at the Tournament House, formerly known as the Wrigley Mansion, located in Pasadena, California. Here at the Tournament House, which is 100 years old, our air conditioning units need regular service. So we work with Air-Tro on a regular maintenance schedule. They're very conscientious of the historic nature of our building. They are very communicative in what the issues might be, identifying the problems. If we do need to schedule repair, they're always very timely, usually within 48 hours. The tournament has been working with Air-Tro for more than 25 years. And what really brings us back every time is they have very competitive rates. Their service has been excellent, and the work that they do really takes care of any challenges that we might have with our units. Yes, I would definitely recommend Air-Tro. They're responsive, knowledgeable, competitive in their pricing. Again, they show up, they do great work, and they've been a terrific partner for the Tournament of Roses.